Hi, fourth grade, here with your wheel of names. Remember, this is for pizza, and I have here on the right all of the names that we have for this week. Remember, you get your name in one name for every correct or complete assignment you put in this week. If your name isn't in as many times as you think it should be, go back and double check the complete assignments. Remember, that means fully completing all tasks given to you in all of the topic areas, um, and making sure that those things are done moving forward for next week. I'm now going to click it and we'll see what our week winner is. Awesome. Congratulations, Cherish. You'll be receiving a phone call from one of our teachers and setting up when you'll be getting pizza this week. And congratulations to all of our contestants this week and keep up your hard work. I look forward to seeing our next week's winner.